Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the sound and vibration. Let's enter. Now let's scroll down just a little bit in order to find the phone ringtone here, and thanks to this option we will be able to change it. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of the ringtones from which we can choose. Basically, it is the list of the albums, because if we will tap on Material Adventures, for example, we can enter 14 different ringtones. So as you can see, we've got a lot of them, a lot of options to choose from. Here we've got 3 dots icon, and we can check the privacy policy, terms of service, and open source licenses. If you want, if you're interested in it, then you can do it. If not, just leave it. As you can see, also here we've got the album with My Sounds, which simply means that if you will have any ringtones downloaded, for example, from the internet, they will, and if they will be compatible, they will appear right here. You can just tap on this plus icon and you will be transferred to your own files, and then you will be able to pick a particular option and set it as a ringtone. What's more, here we've got an additional option, none, and it simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. And since I do not have any kind of My Sounds, I will pick something from those defaultly installed options. So let me pick, for example, Minimal Melodies. And in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it, and probably you have to volume up your device to be able to hear. So if you will decide that you want to set this particular option, so let me pick this Milky Way, make sure that it is marked, and tap on Save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.